In this video we take a look at 3 of the top 3 adult-only resorts in the Bahamas. Sandals Royal Bahamian Spa Resort and Offshore Island. Sandals Royal Bahamian Spa Resort and Offshore Island is one of the top adult-only resorts in the Bahamas. This luxurious all-inclusive resort features an offshore island, spa, and 9 restaurants. The resort also offers a variety of activities, including scuba diving, snorkeling, kayaking, and stand-up paddle boarding. With its stunning beaches and lush tropical landscape, the resort is the perfect place for couples to relax and enjoy some quality time together. Grand Isle Resort and Spa. Grand Isle Resort and Spa is an adults-only resort located on the beautiful Emerald Bay of Great Exuma Island in the Bahamas. This luxurious resort offers a relaxing environment, with amenities such as a full-service spa, a variety of dining options, and an infinity pool overlooking the Caribbean Sea. Couples can also enjoy a wide range of activities, such as snorkeling, fishing, kayaking, and sailing. With its romantic setting, Grand Isle Resort and Spa is the perfect destination for a romantic getaway. The Cove at Atlantis, Paradise Island. The Cove at Atlantis, Paradise Island is an adults-only resort located in the heart of the Bahamas. This resort features luxurious amenities such as a casino, spa, and a variety of restaurants and bars. Guests can also take advantage of a variety of activities, such as snorkeling, kayaking, and jet skiing. The Cove at Atlantis, Paradise Island is the perfect destination for couples looking for a romantic getaway. For some fantastic offers on holidays to the Bahamas or anywhere else in the world, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell.